Welcome to another video from me, Ste Hamilton, and a quick intro to say thank you very much for all the support that we've had so far on this channel. We hit 3,000 subscribers, which I'm extremely proud of. The team behind the scenes has worked so hard. It's been a massive effort, a massive push from all of us, but thank you very much for all the support you've given us. Today's video is our first refurb completion of 2022. We have 16 renovations going on at the moment. So throughout this year, I'm hoping to show you so many of our own renovations and bringing the UK property sector together and showing you a lot of other people in the industry who are doing a multitude of things, different strategies, and hopefully bringing everyone together so we can share our knowledge across this platform. And on that note, please tune into this video and let me know your thoughts below.
Add it up.
No banter. I don't think anybody can beat me at anything. And I wasn't even at first gear. There's a lot of enthusiasm.
Add it up.
Welcome to another video, guys, and today we have picked up the keys to our latest renovation. Sahil joins us again. He joint ventured with us on this project, so come inside, take a look, and let's see the end product. So here we are, we're inside the lounge, and if you can remember what this looked like from our previous video, on this wall, what was on this wall?
There was a lot of brick fireplace. It was pretty horrible.
It was horrible, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't nice at all.
It was all the way along. Ams is going to do all the B-roll, he's going to show you all the before pictures, but overall, I'm very happy with the finish.
Yeah, it's a really nice space now. Now that they've removed all of this kind of stuff and they've covered up this window here.
Yeah, there was a window here. Do you remember the window, guys, from the previous video, like Sahil just said? That was an eyesore, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a bit of an eyesore and very random looking into the kitchen.
Yeah, it wasn't very nice, but overall, very, very satisfied with the job. Out of 10, what would you give it?
About 7.
Yeah, I'd give it a 7 because there's things that we've picked up on today. We've created a snagging list and they're coming back in next week. Now that's pissed me off, if I'm completely honest with you.
Yeah, it's a little bit annoying because we wanted to get it on the market this week.
Saturday, wasn't it?
Saturday,
we was hoping to get the estate agents in tomorrow. We had 3 booked, but there's a few things. As we go around the house, we're going to show you some of the things. A snagging list is something you can't get away from. Every renovation you do, you're going to have one.
Yeah, absolutely.
And Sahil's walked round, I've walked round, Isabella's walked round, the lads have walked round, and everybody's picked out a few faults, minor faults.
Yeah, we're hoping it's not going to affect the end value of the property. It's just when someone comes in and views it, we want it to be perfect.
Yeah, we want it to be 10 out of 10, not 7 out of 10. And the few little bits and pieces, some of you at home might say that we're being overcritical.
Yeah.
But it's just the way we are. But if you come around this way, I can show you, on this side here, when you walked through the door previously, we had like a porch that was probably
probably about up to there, and it kind of, the entrance came in through here, right? So
yeah.
you had to come in and left.
And again, Ams will show you guys at home. That's been removed now, and to be fair, this room is huge.
Yeah, it's massive. It's a really nice space, and like straight in through into the kitchen now. It's going to be a really nice living space for a little family to come into, hopefully.
Yeah, we had spotlights put in, which I think really set this room off. It was a back to brick. It was a full renovation. The finish on the walls is amazing. Very happy with the finish on the walls. Yeah. Skirting's lovely. Really like the skirting board. We had a new back door put on, didn't we?
We did.
We didn't replace no windows. We replaced some pieces of glass in here. Front door.
New door.
New front door. We're going to walk around the house and show you some bits and pieces. But overall, like I said, happy.
Yeah.
We'll be more happy next week when all the snagging parts are finished. So let's show you the kitchen now. Now we're in the kitchen, which is my favourite room of the house.
Yeah, it's really nice. I'm getting super comfortable over here.
Yes, he is. He fitted the kitchen the way he's gone around it today. He's opened every drawer, every cupboard. He's looked at every drawing in here.
I'm trying to learn.
Yeah, you have learnt a lot though in this one.
I have learnt a lot.
There's been a lot of things that have happened in this house that we had to overcome. We'll explain as we go along. Flooring. Love the flooring.
Yeah, really nice contrast with the laminate flooring over there.
Yeah,
as well.
the laminate flooring that side that goes into the living room is lovely. We really like that. The worktops and the colour of the cabinets was chosen by us over WhatsApp. The builders sent us some colours and we kind of left them to their own devices, didn't we?
Yeah.
We just pointed them in the right direction and it's worked out great. Really happy with that. There is something that I'm spotting when I'm standing in this kitchen that's really pissing me off, and this is a problem. When you manage a refurb that is 3 hours away from where you live, you physically can't come every week, especially with our busy schedules. We can't come every week. Now, we trust the builders and the builders will do what we ask them to do. But as I'm looking into that camera, all I can see is the pipes for the radiators coming down the wall. They're not in a case. They should have been put into the wall. Now, I hold my hands up for that and take full responsibility because I just overlooked it.
Yeah, it's a little thing, but
it's something I overlooked, and I preach so much about not showing the radiators, the radiator pipes. But it is what it is. Can't rectify it now. We'll get it cased and we'll move on. As I'm walking around the house, I get really positive, and then I have a little bit of a negative.
Yeah.
And I think that's just because I like everything to be perfect.
Yeah, you view it as a buyer of the house, right? You want to come in and view it. They're going to notice the little things, and it could make a difference to whether they put an offer in or not.
That's
right?
exactly it. I'm such a perfectionist, and because it's our flip and it's something that we have put our names to, it has to be perfect. And to me, this isn't perfect.
Yeah.
Hopefully next week we can get it up to what it needs to be. But little things like that will play on my mind for the next week. It will really bug me, but I will not make that mistake again. And yeah, I'm very, also, so here, the boiler burst. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen what that looked like, but you will see now because Ams will put it up on the screen. Horrendous, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really bad. It looked just, I mean, the builders obviously sent pictures straight away when it was through and it looked horrible. But they fixed it very, very well. They've done a great job with it.
Cost us extra money.
Yeah.
But like I said, I view this house from a buyer's perspective. And the last thing I want is a buyer to come in here and we'd bodged that wall up and left all the drama that was behind there. And in 6 months to a year's time, that whole wall went black and they would have had to spend, I don't know, £1,000, £2,000, £3,000 to fix it. It wouldn't have been good for us. Even though we'll never see the buyers of this house ever, it's still something that I wouldn't have been able to be happy with.
Yeah, you want to work with integrity as well.
Yeah, definitely wouldn't have been happy with that. But I'm still niggled. I'll be honest with you, I'm still niggled from a little few things that are in this house. Let's go upstairs. I'll show you the bathroom. A couple of things in the bathroom that I'm not happy with, but again, easily rectified.
Yeah.
And the builders are absolutely fantastic. When we called them, no issues at all. They was like, we'll be down next week. Send us on WhatsApp everything you want doing and we will do it for you. So that's a plus, isn't it?
Yeah, 100%.
Great builders, and they're also doing another job for us anyway. So I know they're reliable. I know they're honest, and they've cut no corners. It's just a few little bits and pieces. When you get into the end of a job as a builder, they want to get out onto the next one, and they start moving tradesmen off that house onto another house or another property, and then they leave certain individuals on their team in the house who also just want to get out because they're on their own, and this is where these little problems occur. But let's go upstairs. We're inside the bathroom, second favourite room of the whole house. Couple of things I'm not happy with. First thing I'm not happy with, the pipe. I wish I was here because I would have run a vanity unit all the way across there just to hide the pipes behind there. But again, I wasn't here. I took my eye off the ball. I'm not happy about it. We had the boiler that's in there. Now that's a brand new boiler. and we did not need a brand new boiler when we bought this property. What happened, when they came in to fix this bathroom and they took it back to brick, the boiler was taken off the wall, the existing boiler that was in this house, and when they refitted it back on, it was faulty. So instead of trying to repair it, I literally said, get a new boiler. It cost us £1,200 to supply and fit, but the pipes were run out across there. Again, I don't like stuff like that. Them pipes should have been in the wall. So overcritical, yes, but it's just part and parcel of me. Everything else in the bathroom I'm really happy with. It's a huge bathroom. The space in here is amazing. Towel rail. The towel rail is a little bit thin for my liking. It should have been a wider, maybe a metre wide, 800. I think that's a 500. Yeah, that's a 500. It could have been wider. But other than that, everything else in here is amazing. I'm very happy with the bathroom.
Right, so Steve's left me to do this room on my own, so I'll try and be a little bit more positive. If you remember before, there were cupboards that came out about here in this room. Now those have been removed. This is actually a pretty spacious room, and then they've done a pretty good job. As Steve mentioned earlier, the plastering is really good. Carpets look great. As we've been walking around, Steve's mentioned a couple of times pipes showing. So we've got radiator pipes down there that are showing, something that I wouldn't have really picked up on, but as we've been walking around, I've been trying to learn all the little things to look out for. There was damp by the window, which has been sorted out really nicely, and I'm super happy with the bedrooms.
We're in bedroom 2, and it was back to brick, fully replastered, grey carpets, white walls, neutral. So when a buyer walks in, they have a blank canvas to work on. There's no outrageous colours, there's no pink walls, there's no blue walls. It's neutral for everyone. We had a new central heating system put in. Again, the pipes in this one aren't too bad because they're from the floor. They're not the long plastic pipes connected. So I'm actually happy about that, to be honest. But yeah, great finish. I am very happy with the finish. I do like the skirting board as well in this house. I think that was really good. And yeah, I'll show the landing. We're on the landing, and this was completely taken back to brick. It was replastered, reboarded and replastered.
Yeah, it looks good now. Painted the skirting and the stairs, which was really nice.
Yeah, and this here, I was a bit worried about this. I thought we'd have to replace it.
No, it's good quality, and that adds a bit of character, to be fair.
Yeah, they worked the magic on this. They stripped it back, they repainted it. I'm happy with this. Bedroom behind us, bedroom 3. I'm not going to bore you with it. I'll show you some B-roll. Grey carpets, white wall, replastered. Yeah. Great finish. Very happy with that. Overall, again, we're doing it again. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm happier than you are.
Yeah.
But I understand the concerns with the little niggles, and hopefully the builders, as you said, can come and sort them out next week, and we can get it on the market as soon as possible. But it is a bit irritating that it wasn't all sorted today.
Yeah, because we had, like I said downstairs, we had estate agents booked in for tomorrow. We was hoping to get this listed on Saturday. This is not going to be listed now till next Saturday. Isabella is actually on the phone to them, more or less, as we've been shooting the whole of this video, trying to get a date that they can come back. Again, there's no issues with them, but we're just trying to tie it all in where we can get the estate agents to come as well. So yeah, I'm still not giving the best emotion, am I? I'm still not giving it, but yeah,
some more positivity.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm happy as well because it's Sahil's first joint venture.
Yeah.
It's your first real property out and outside residential.
Yeah, it is.
So, how have you found it?
Yeah, really good. I've learned a lot along the process, and excited to get on to the next one. And you know, as you said, like doing it with you guys has been easier, quicker for me. It builds up my understanding, it gives me confidence in the process, and I can take it from there.
Yeah, so that's the beauty of JVs, especially JVing with someone like me and Isabella, who actually have experience. We know what we're doing. Very happy with the way it's gone with you.
Yeah.
Very easy to work with Sahil. Very simple. It's because we have a good relationship off camera as well. You know, we're always out for dinner and stuff like that. Let's go downstairs. Let's talk about the numbers. Let's see what we thought we was going to make. We're not going to know exactly what we're going to make till the estate agents come, but we have a good understanding of where things are. So let's go downstairs and talk numbers.
Yeah, let's do it.
the most important part of the whole of the journey, the numbers.
Yeah, so we purchased the house for about £95,000, and then with stamp and legals, that came to just under £101,000.
And we had a renovation quote of £34,000. That's what we instructed the builders on, but we ended up going over budget by £1,440. So it cost us £35,440. The reason for that was there was a few things that were found that we didn't know about, but we did take away some of the work that we was going to do because we didn't need it.
Yeah.
So it kind of evened itself out, really.
Not too bad.
And in that £35,440 was a brand new boiler. So that was about £1,200, like I said. All in all, we've spent about £136,500, and we've been told the end value by agents is around what?
About £180,000.
But we're hoping for more.
Hoping for more.
We're hoping for more, but if we base this video on what we've been told already, 180,000, we make around £44,000 profit.
Yeah, which is not bad at all.
Yeah, minus selling fees.
Yeah.
We will have to pay some corporation tax, as you know, so we'll probably walk away with around 35,000.
Yeah.
£35,000 profit in how long?
Completed at the end of August. Building work started in October, mid-October, so about 10 weeks of renovation.
10 weeks of renovations, and we'll make around £35,000. Anything above that is a bonus.
Yeah.
We're hoping for more, but with what we've got so far, we're very happy. We're over the moon. It was a great project, Sahil.
Yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Thank you very much for
thank you guys.
trusting us on the joint venture, because you as a part of the property circle, you are a part of the property circle, and we had the conversation. He jumped on board, first ever joint venture.
Yeah, first ever flip.
First ever flip, and it's gone smoothly.
Yeah, pretty smoothly, all things considered, and I'm glad I had the guidance of you guys when some of that stuff went wrong, like the boiler and some of the snagging pieces that I wouldn't necessarily have picked up on. So I've learned a lot along the way, so I'm super happy.
Well, that's the whole point of joint ventures, to learn.
Yeah.
And doing it with someone experienced really helps.
Yeah,
so I hope you like this video. I'm happier. I'm more happier now that we've walked around the house and the builders are coming in next week. We have a day they're coming as well, so I'm happy about that. So I hope you guys like this video. A great before and after, and it is actually a great before and after because the state of this house was horrendous.
Yeah, it was horrendous, and overall the builders have done a great job.
Yeah, they've done a great job. I'm just being super critical. But on that note, please smash that like button. Leave a comment below if you've got any questions you want to ask Sahil about a joint venture and how we found this process. Message him on YouTube if you want to, but his Instagram is in this video, so they can message you directly.
Yeah, drop me a message.
And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I will catch you in another video soon.